Hello and welcome to this week's blog update. Today I'm going to talk to you about all the current things.
What are happening in the education automobile?
That one, exactly. Well, today we saw a little news article from the BBC about the Tories' grand plan to change their GCSE workings so that they're going to scrap the modular bits and just have one big exam at the end of every subject, which seems a little bit silly to me, because why just one big exam doesn't prove how intelligent you are, does it, eh? Because what if...
You have a good point. What our friend said about was that if you have lots of frequent tests, then maybe you care a bit more because you're like, oh yeah, it's happening next week, because you and me are both quite good, but we don't really do anything until the last minute, which is bad, but we should change it, but still it's true. So, but to be honest, I kind of don't really agree with assessment.
Yeah.
You do, but thanks.
No, I'm of the opinion that assessment is generally not useful in a lot of areas, but is almost essential in some areas, such as if you want to be a nurse or a brain surgeon, you're going to have to be examined, aren't you? You're going to need an assessment because there is a standard procedure of certain things that you need to be able to do, like just very well and copy, obviously, or a driving test. That's a standard thing that you have to do. But something like creative writing or fine art, you don't need exams in that. It's just a waste of time. I mean, all you need to do is just learn things and get good at it and just play.
That's great. Have a look at this video to us. Look at it at us.
Let's pause it on this question for one moment, shall we?
What would you do if you were in charge of a school?
They're reading it.
Sorry.
You can read it yourselves.
We think that's a great question. We're chuffed about the government asking that question to kids.
I think I would...
They can watch this though, can't they?
Yeah, so anyway, you don't need to see the whole of that. Just go to Education.gov UK.
Just so quick, we should thank the government quickly for that.
I'm actually genuinely, like, I enjoy the fact that the government YouTube channel has put that question online, because it's nice. The only problem is there's bugger all shit they're doing about it. So to sum up the video, basically they're just saying give kids more of a choice in general things and just have more of a say in what happens at school.
So let's have that, please, John.
Yeah. So Mr. Gove. Hey?